Hello everybody. Today I am unboxing a part from Parts Avatar online auto parts store. Today I am unboxing a remanufactured alternator from Desco. This is for my 2015 Toyota Tacoma V6 engine. I was actually recommended this brand by the parts guy at Toyota. My alternator seized up on me a few weeks ago, and yeah, as you can see, this took about a week to come in, about 5 days. Well boxed, remanufactured alternator. Everything looks brand new on this. It is very well put back together. It is quite heavy. It's nice. Couldn't even pick it up with one hand. Couldn't really get a grip on it out of the box. And as you can see here, it has all the connections that are needed. Brand new looking. Spins very nicely, very easily. Spins with ease. It has the connector bolts that needed for the Tacoma V6. It's going to be a sweet install. Thank you, Parts Avatar.